Having trouble logging into Facebook on your iPhone? Don't worry. Here are a few solutions you can try. Follow these steps one by one, and any one of them should work for you. Let's start with checking internet connection. Make sure you are on a strong cellular data or Wi-Fi internet connection. Sometimes the login issue might be with the weak or unstable network connection. If the network is not the issue, then try disabling VPN. Open the Settings app and look for the VPN option. Now turn off the toggle next to the option. If it is reconnecting again, then tap on General. Next, scroll down and look for the VPN and device management option and tap on it. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. If this method is not working, then try next. Update the app. Go to App Store. At the bottom, click on the search bar and search for the Facebook app. Then, tap on the app from the results. If you have an update available, then update the app. Make sure you have installed the latest version of the app. If this step doesn't work, then try offload and reinstall the app. For this, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Now click on the iPhone storage option. Then scroll to find the Facebook app and tap on it. Here, you will see the app details. Then click on Offload app. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Offload app to confirm. This will uninstall the app from the device and free up the storage used by the app. Now reinstall the app and then try to log in to your account. If it is not working, then try restart the device. Swipe down from the top right to open the control center. Now long press on the power icon. Next, swipe the slider to the right side to power off the device. Then, press the side button and the device will restart shortly. After restarting the device, open the Facebook app and try to log in. Still, if it is not working, then try next. Facebook server is down. After trying all the above steps, and the issue is still not fixed, then the problem might be with the Facebook servers. To check this, open the Safari browser. Now, at the bottom, click on the search bar and type Facebook server down to search. Here, you will see the Facebook server status, and if you find any issue within the servers, then wait till the servers are back to normal. After the servers are normal, try to log into your account to check whether it is working or not. If not, then try reset all settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll and tap on General. Now scroll down to find the Transfer or Reset iPhone option, then click on it. Next, at the bottom, click on Reset. Here, a few options will pop up, then tap on Reset All Settings. Now a pop will appear and click on Reset All Settings to confirm. After resetting, try to log in. This may fix the issue, and that's it. Follow and subscribe for more iPhone tips.